Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing well in your houses. Today we are going to do subtraction within thousands. There are some vocabulary words. Subtract, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T, subtract. Take away, T-A-K-E, take away, A-W-A-Y, away, take away. Difference, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-A, difference. Minus, M-I-N-U-S, minus. These all are used, we already have read this one, we all are using this word for the subtraction, for the minus. किसी चीज़ को किसी चीज़ में से काटने के लिए हम इन सब words को use करते हैं. How many left, H-O-W, how many, M-A-N-Y, many, left, L-E-F-T, left. Subtraction, S-U-B, subtract, T-R-A-C, traction, T-I-O-N, subtraction. Solve, S-O-L-V-E, solve. Without, boring, subtraction. W-I-T-H, with, out, O-U-T, out, boring, B-O-R-R-O-W-I-N-G, boring. Subtraction, S-U-B-T-R-A-C, subtraction, T-I-O-N, subtraction. Subtraction with boring, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction. With, W-I-T-H, with, boring, B-O-R-R-O-W-I-N-G, boring. So these are the vocabulary words. Now I'm going to solve some question for you of subtraction. As you can see, take away or subtract. Take away or subtract. As we already know that take away or subtract both have the same meanings. Take away काट लेना, subtract also काट लेना या minus कर लेना. Here are some questions like 419 from 6 to 7. We have to subtract 419 from 627. So what we will do all first, we already know that and we already have done this one before. First we will write the unit, the place value, tens and hundred. Here also unit, tens and hundred. Now we already know that the one is written after the from, like this one. जो from के बाद number लिखा होता है, we have to write it first. So first we have to write unit, 10 and 100. After that we have to write the number 6, 2 and 7. Then 9 in the place of unit, 1 in the place of tens and 4 in the place of 100. Now what we have to do, we have to do subtraction. For subtraction we are putting the sign of minus. We have to subtract 7 from 9, 9 from 7. Can we subtract this one? 7 में से हमें 9 काटना है, हम काट सकते हैं? नहीं. So for what we will do, we will ask this tens to borrow one number. जब हम इससे one number लेंगे तो 2 के बाद क्या आता है? 2, 1. So we will write 1. Now we will give 1 to this number. It will become 17. Yes, 17 में से 9 हमें subtract करना है. So what we will do, we will write 9 times minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 times हमने minus 1 लिख लिया. Now we'll count the backward countings from 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. What is the answer? 8. So we will write 8 over here. जब हमें बड़े नंबर में से छोटा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना हो तो हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग लिख लेते हैं. जैसे 9 है ना, 9 से माइनस करना ना, सो विल राइट -1 9 टाइम्स. देन विल काउंट द बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग फ्रॉम 17 एंड देन वी विल गेट द आंसर. सो 8 इज़ लेफ्ट, सो विल पुट 8 ओवर हियर. 1 में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, 1 में से 1 कर दिया. हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर लेफ्ट? नो वन, सो विल राइट 0. गुड. Then they have 6. 6 में से 4 subtract करें. How many numbers? 6. 4 subtract करने ना. So we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4 times minus 4, 1 लिख देंगे. Now what we will do? We will count the backward counting from 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What is the answer? 2. So we'll write 2 over here. Now understand? Now you can see they have one more question. 293 from 348. Now what we will do, first we will write, yes, very good, first we will write unit, tens and hundred. Same here, unit, tens and hundred. Now we'll write first unit, 10 and 100. Now 8 in the place of unit, 4 in the place of tens, 3 in the place of 100. Now again 3 in the place of unit, 9 in the place of tens, and 2 in the place of 100. Now we'll subtract this one and we'll put the sign of minus. Now we have to subtract 8 from 3. 8 में से 3 subtract करेंगे, so we'll write minus 1 2 3 times हमने लिख दिया. Now we'll count the backward countings from 8. 8 7 6 5. Now what is the answer? 5. Yes, we'll put 5 over here. We have to subtract 9 from, yes, 4. Can we do this? No, it's difficult, na? So what we will ask 3 to borrow 1, 10. So this is 3. 3 में से हमने 1 ले लिया, तो how many left? 3 के बाद क्या आता है? 2. So यहाँ पे क्या बचा? 2. 1 हमने इसको दे दिया, it will become 14. So what we have to subtract? 9. So what we'll do, we'll write 9 times minus 1. Good. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now we will do backward counting from 14. 14 के बाद क्या आता है? 13 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 and 5. So what we will put over here? 5. Good. Now 2 में से 2 subtract किया, what is the answer? Yes, 0. Very good. This is how we are going to do or solve the sums of subtraction with borrowing. We have done the subtraction without borrowing. Now what you have to do, you have to open your book, page number 45. They have some word problem. As you can see, they said a school has 434 students, 212 students are girls. How many boys are there in the school? So we have to tell how many students are there in the school. We already know that we have how many girls they have? 212, and total students are 243, but we don't know the strength of the boys. So what we will do, हम 434 में से किसको minus subtract कर देंगे? 212 को. For that what we will write? Unit, 10 and 100. Also over here we will write unit, tens and 100. Here also unit, tens and 100. Now write in the place values of unit, tens and 100. Then 4 में से 2 काटे तो कितने बचे? Yes, 4 में से 2 subtract किया, how many left? 2. So we'll put over 2 over here. 3 में से 1 subtract किया, how many left? 2. So we'll put 2 over here. Again 4 में से 2 हमने subtract किए, तो कितने बच गए? 2. So we'll write 2 over here. So total students, numbers of girls, 434 में से हमने 212 subtract किए, so our answer is 222. So total boys are 222 boys in the school. Now as you can see on your book, they have 2 more questions. You have to solve this. This is your homework, and on your page number 46 there are some questions. When you come back to the school, we will solve this one. But your homework for this week, you have to solve the story sums, these 2 sums.